I feel sad, and that's okay. Little tears fall down my face. I take a breath in and out slow. Feelings come and feelings go. When I feel sad, I breathe in